Yo, what's good everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I got a really simple tip for you. It's called the Magic Lasso tool in FL Studio. Okay, so let's get right into it. Alright, so to activate this Magic Lasso, you go into the piano roll of FL Studio and then go to the drop down box menu, okay? You're going to want to go over to select, and then you'll see Magic Lasso. You can click that and it'll activate it. Essentially, this lets you just circle your cursor around notes to highlight them. You don't have to click anything. It's pretty cool. Okay, so if we wanted to highlight all of these notes, we could just draw a circle around it. Literally, that's all it takes. You don't got to click anything or do anything to that. Just do a circle around the note. Got to be multiple notes though. See? It's pretty dope. It's a little glitchy though, because sometimes it'll just randomly zoom in or randomly, select notes. Make sure when you do this, you don't already have a note selected. If you do, just right click the piano roll to unselect everything, and then you can go ahead and select it by just circling it. So yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.